Kids flex. Counting numbers with silly animal sounds. Are you ready to count with me? One happy dog says, woof, woof. One. One dog. Two little ducks say, quack, quack. Count with me. One, two. Two ducks.
Wow!
Three giggly pigs say, oink, oink, oink. Count with me. One, two, three. Three pigs! Amazing! Four sleepy cows say, moo, 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 moo. Count with me. One, two, three, four. Great job! Five silly cats say, meow, 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 meow. Count with me. One, two, three, four. Five cats.
Wow!
Well done. Six noisy frogs say, ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Count with me. One, two, three, four. Five, six. Amazing. Seven singing birds say, tweet, tweet, tweet. Count with me. One, two, three, four. Five, six, seven. Cool. Eight bees say buzz, 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 buzz. Count with me. One, two, three. Four, five, six. Seven and eight. Well done. Nine roaring lions say, roar, roar, roar. Count with me. One, two, three. Four, five, six. Seven, eight, nine.
Wow!
Amazing. 10 howling monkeys say, ooh, ooh. Count with me. One, two, three. Four, five, six. 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow!
You did it! If you had a blast, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell.